Welcome to Omniful, your comprehensive solution for warehouse and order management. Today, we're diving into one of our fundamental feature, catalog comparison. Let's get started. What is catalog comparison? The catalog comparison feature in Omniful is designed to identify and address the discrepancies between the seller master catalog and seller sales channel catalog. Let's understand the difference between the catalogs. A seller master catalog contains the required information of all the SKUs sold by the seller on each sales channel, while a seller sales channel catalog contains the information of SKU that are sold on that particular sales channel by the seller. Let's see how catalog comparison is done. To do catalog comparison, navigate to Seller Catalog in Catalog tab. Click on Catalog Comparison. Select a seller and the specific seller sales channel. Click on Done. And then click on Start Comparison. Our system generates a report with seller name, sales channel, time of the comparison, total SKU, and SKU with issues. Users can sync the sales channel SKU missing on the master catalog with a click. Users can download the report of SKU missing on the sales channel in comparison to master catalog. It also displays the specific issues that are found in the comparison. Let's understand these issues in detail. First type of issue is SKU does not exist. In this issue, a particular SKU which is present in the seller sales channel catalog is not present in the seller master catalog and vice versa. Let's understand this with examples. Example 1. In the seller sales channel catalog, the seller added an SKU called SKU 1 but did not add it to the seller master catalog. So the order of SKU 1 can be placed by the customer, but cannot be processed in the system as no such SKU as SKU 1 exists in the seller catalog. Example 2. The seller added an SKU 1 to the seller master catalog but did not add it to the seller sales channel catalog. So the customer cannot place an order for SKU 1 as no such SKU as SKU 1 is visible to the customer on a sales channel. Second type of issue is duplicate barcode. In this issue, there are two different SKU which share the same barcode in the seller sales channel catalog. Let's understand this with an example. There are SKU 1 and SKU 2 present in the seller master catalog with the barcode of SKU 1 is bar ABC and the barcode of SKU 2 is bar def. But on the seller sales channel catalog, the barcode of SKU 1 and SKU 2 is the same. That is bar ABC, hence, they cannot be synced with the master catalog. Third type of issue is duplicate SKU code. In this issue, there are two SKU present in the seller sales channel catalog which share the same SKU code. Let's understand this with an example. There are two SKU in the seller sales channel catalog with SKU codes. SKU 1 with SKU code as code 123 and SKU 2 with SKU code as code 123 create a duplicate issue, due to which SKU cannot sync to seller master catalog. Second type of issue is SKU code change. In this issue, an SKU was changed in the seller sales channel catalog by the seller. Let's understand this with an example. The SKU code of SKU 1 in the seller sales channel catalog is code 123, but later the seller changed the SKU code of SKU 1 to code 456. So there might be a possibility that the seller did not update the seller catalog. So the order of SKU 1 can be placed by the customer, but cannot be processed as no such SKU with the SKU code. Code 1214 exists in the seller catalog. And there you have it, the catalog comparison feature in Omniful, providing data accuracy, order processing efficiency, and consistency. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time.